welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. So we're back at King Taco with a burrito of carnitas, packed with some rice, salsa verde, and some beans. I don't see my rice, but it's in there. So let's go ahead and dig into this burrito of carnitas, shall we? So good. Tastes just like carnitas. Yummy. There's some more salsa in there. I could taste a lot of beans. A lot of beans and a lot of meat. Delicious. You gotta really chew that meat because you get big chunks in there. So good. Yummy. I'm getting that rice flavor, carnitas in every bite. So good. Spicy. Delicious. Whoa, look at all these carnitas down here. Yummy. My burrito is getting messy. That's how we like to eat, messy. Like to get messy when we eat. Mmm. So there you have it, food freaks. A delicious burrito of carnitas from King Taco. That's it for today, food freaks. Till next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.